This is a review of the Solvang Inn and Cottage in Solvang, California. It's right on the main drag and entrance to Solvang, as you can see, with all the main restaurants and bakeries. The Olson Bakery has a connection with the hotel and provides a continental breakfast with your stay. So I'm going to go ahead and take you into the small foyer of the hotel and show you one of the smaller, cheaper rooms that's available. This is room 105. They have a small pool area with a jacuzzi and an outdoor patio area as well in the back. Here's the room here. Come in, you got a table to the left with 2 chairs. You got a small, full-size bed, and you've got a small dresser with a TV, microwave with a refrigerator inside, full refrigerator with a freezer, and then you have a very small bathroom. Just the basics: small shower, small bathroom with a window. And that is the full room, one of the small, cheaper rooms at the Solvang Inn. Take care.